Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about AMD and why AMD could potentially, not saying it will, just saying it could, not financial advice, but I think it could hit $200 after the merger with Xilinx, but that's my opinion, and we'll see what happens. Yahoo Finance gives it a target of 104.64. Why did I say this? Because if we look at their financials, right, they make about what, $3.4 billion of revenue, profitability of about $651 million of profit per quarter, and then if you combine it with Xilinx, you know, that would be closer to about $5 billion, give or take. Around there. I mean, like 4.5 billion. I mean, with the synergies and the marketing and everything, I'm sure AMD could probably push over $5 billion in the future here, with especially with the merger of Xilinx, but that's only my opinion, and it may not happen. There's definitely, you know, the GPU market has gone down significantly because China banned crypto mining, so the GPU demand has gone down dramatically. So, you know, AMD could suffer a little bit from that, but still, I feel like AMD, with the servers and the new CPU architectures and everything, I think they can push over $5 billion in the future here in revenue per quarter. While NVIDIA, if we look at NVIDIA, they're pushing at 5.661 billion. They are more profitable than AMD. They're sitting at $2 billion of profit, while AMD will probably be sitting at $1 billion. But if we look at NVIDIA's market cap, it's sitting at $500 billion. AMD right now is sitting at a market cap of $114 billion. If you combine it with Xilinx, which is sitting at $35 billion, you're talking about a market cap of $150 billion. The two companies combined at $200 price point will be about $300 billion, which is still under NVIDIA. It's still not close to NVIDIA. So a $300 billion market cap for the combined entity of AMD and Xilinx is good, and the fact that Xilinx is paying a dividend, once they merge with AMD, they won't be paying that dividend anymore. That cash will go straight to AMD's balance sheet to maybe buy back stock or other things. Unless the market crashes, then you know that's the dangerous part of investing in AMD long term right now, because any day we could have a big market crash, a big market correction, and you could lose some money in the short term, or permanently if a major crash happens and it just doesn't recover for years and years. That's also a possibility. Remember the risk. And then you also got to remember that Xilinx has management. They don't need two CEOs. They don't need two CFOs. They don't need any of those management. So they can consolidate the employees, push and then get rid of the dividend, and really push out profitability for AMD, and pay back the debts and just have a strong balance sheet, strong profitability, and moving forward, hopefully the two synergy companies combined can push out much bigger revenue than NVIDIA, and maybe even one day be more valuable than NVIDIA. Who really knows at the end of the day? That's what I'm hoping could happen. Don't know if it will happen, but that's what I'm hoping would happen. I mean, I don't have a position in AMD. I just like AMD as a business. I may, buy some just to swing trade it, but, or maybe I would just hold out. Maybe I wait for a dip and buy a little bit of stock. We'll see what happens. But I really like AMD as a business. I wish I held on to my stock. I had a position in this stock at $2. $2. And I sold out at like around $13 average. If I held on, I would have been super rich right now, but I didn't, and I lost out big time on AMD. But I could buy now. I could potentially double my money. You know, is it worth it? I don't know. I mean, maybe a small position and dollar cost average. Just saying, not financial advice. That's what I think maybe I might do. I don't know at the end of the day. Still thinking about it. But yeah, anyways, or maybe I can just talk about AMD and be on the sidelines. So, you know, no conflict of interest. But yeah, I really like AMD as a business. Just saying. Anyways, Bitcoin today is down 3.66%, but Hut Mining had a really nice day. It went up as high as $5.79 before pulling back down to $5.46. Anyways, and the overall market today was, you know, green slightly, but that's about it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great. Oh man, I just kind of want to make it last 8 minutes because I can put more ads into it. Why? Because I don't know. Just 2 more minutes for a few more ads. Why not? I mean, yeah, it's just the way things work. Yeah, I don't know. It makes me sound kind of retarded near the end because it's like, you know, I'm pushing out for just, you know, 2 more minutes for some ad money. You know, I don't know, like, people say that NVIDIA will be $1 trillion company, will be $3,000. Actually, at $3,000, that would be like a $2 trillion company. That would be making NVIDIA as valuable as Apple Corporation. Some guy was saying that NVIDIA in 5 years will be a $2 trillion company, $3,000 price target on NVIDIA. I don't know, man. Like, even like at $1 trillion, that just sounds ridiculously overvalued. But sometimes that's the market for you. Rich people just love NVIDIA for some stupid reason. Maybe it's a setup to crash the stock and make a ton of money on the option side. Who really knows at the end of the day why big money and rich people push this? Maybe there's just something so fundamentally strong about NVIDIA's business. Because I don't really follow NVIDIA, but maybe there's just something so fundamentally strong about NVIDIA. Maybe because of the ARM acquisition or something like that. That makes NVIDIA a very attractive opportunity long term, and that's why big money just keeps pushing NVIDIA stock price higher and higher and higher. So, just saying, we'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.